everyone. How are you all? I hope आप लोग अच्छे होंगे. So here I am with my weekly horoscope for the coming week, that is 12th of July till 18th of July as per your zodiac sign. तो चलिए देखते हैं इस हफ्ते यूनिवर्स आपको क्या गाइड कर रहे हैं और आपको किस तरह इस वीक में प्लान करना है या कोई डिसीजन लेना है. आप कंफ्यूज्ड हो तो ये कार्ड्स आपको गाइड करेंगे. इट्स अ जनरल रीडिंग. डेफिनेटली आप कुछ ना कुछ गाइडेंस इससे जरूर रेजोनेट करोगे. तो आप जो भी रेजोनेट करो वो आप टेक बैक करो और बाकी लीव कर दो. डोंट फील डिसहार्टन्ड और डिसअपॉइंटेड कि आप रेजोनेट नहीं कर पा रहे हो और डरना भी नहीं कि ऐसे हो जाएगा ऐसे हो जाएगा. सो जस्ट हैव फेथ, connect with my energies and definitely you will be guided toward and motivated towards planning your coming week. Before starting, अगर आप चैनल पे नए हैं तो प्लीज सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए एंड प्रेस द बेल आइकन फॉर मोर वीडियो नोटिफिकेशन. तो जो भी मैं वीडियो नया बनाऊंगी आपको उसको नोटिफिकेशंस मिलते रहेंगे. शेयर दिस वीडियो विथ योर फैमिली एंड फ्रेंड्स ताकि वो भी इस हफ्ते की गाइडेंस देख सके और अपना वीक प्लान कर सके. मैं टाइम स्टैम्प दे दूंगी ऑल द ज़ोडिएक साइंस का. आप अपने ज़ोडिएक के टाइम स्टैम्प के हिसाब से गाइडेंस देख सकते हैं. फॉर एनी पर्सनलाइज्ड असिस्टेंट या आप मुझसे बात करना चाहते हैं तो मेरे सोशल मीडिया हैंडल्स भी रहेंगे डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में. तो आप मुझे इंस्टाग्राम, फेसबुक पे फॉलो कर सकते हैं. आप मुझे ईमेल भी लिख सकते हैं. तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं without wasting any more time. So first zodiac sign है एरीज, that is मेष राशि. चलिए देखते हैं इस हफ्ते यूनिवर्स एरीज के लिए क्या गाइडेंस लाए. ओके, so for Aries we have the card 9 of winter, which means I feel इस हफ्ते आपके अंदर बहुत ही ज्यादा unfounded fears हैं. हो सकता है आप टू मच आपके माइंड में नेगेटिव थॉट्स चल रहे हैं. यू आर फोकसिंग ऑन वर्स्ट सिचुएशंस और आप स्लीपलेस नाइट्स हैं, इंसोमिया है, आप सो नहीं पा रहे हो. यू आर थिंकिंग टू मच अबाउट द सिचुएशंस एंड नेगेटिव सॉल्यूशंस और नेगेटिव थॉट्स टुवर्ड्स दैट. आपके अंदर बहुत ही ज्यादा डर है उस सिचुएशन को लेके. बट अगर आप वरी करते रहोगे तो आपको सोल्यूशन नहीं मिलेगा प्रॉब्लम का. सो इंस्टेड ऑफ थिंकिंग अबाउट वरीज, just change the thoughts from negative to positive and definitely you will find the solution to your problem. It's just a matter of time because I feel your mind is working too much. So master your mind rather than mind is you have to master your mind rather than mind masters you, because if mind masters it will think too much about negative thoughts. So don't allow worries to grow. Just remove negative thoughts to positive and see the difference. So all the best Aries. चलिए नेक्स्ट ज़ोडिएक साइन पे चलते हैं. टॉरस. देखते हैं यूनिवर्स इस हफ्ते टॉरस के लिए क्या गाइडेंस लेके आए हैं. ओके, सो फॉर टॉरस वी हैव द कार्ड प्रिंसेस ऑफ समर, which means this week you will be very sensitive and kind. If you are single, a new relationship or emotional experience you will face. You will find someone and have a new relationship. You might get invitations to social events, or you will have a compassionate friend with whom you can share your concerns with. So this week you might get somebody in your life with whom you can share your concerns with. It will be a compassionate friend. So if you are facing challenges or obstacles and you are feeling lonely, so don't worry. This week you will find a friend with whom you can share your concerns. Or if you are single and looking for a relationship, you will have an emotional experience, a beautiful relationship. Emotional experience can be spending time with your family joyfully, or if you are already in a relationship, you will have a joyful time with your partner and you have a good experience. So all the best Taurus. चलिए नेक्स्ट ज़ोडिएक साइन Gemini. Let's see the guidance for Gemini. Okay, so for Gemini we have the card the Emperor, which means this week you will be using your logic for taking any decisions and you will be organized and structured. That will help to increase your success. So for Success, you need to have logic and organized structure. You will be organized, you will have a stable job, you are a natural born leader, very firm but compassionate. So people will follow you, your team will follow you, take advice from you to reach their goals, and you will also help them to reach their goals with more systematic manner. So overall, it's a good week for you, Gemini. All the best. चलिए next zodiac sign, that is Cancer, Kark Rashi. Let's see the guidance for Cancer. Let me pull the card. Okay. Cancerians, for you the card is Prince of Spring, which means this week you are very, you will have self-confidence and you are passionate about your dreams and you are ready to take immediate action towards achieving your goals and dreams. So you are very passionate about your dream and you want to fulfill it. So you are ready to take immediate action. But at the same time, you will be restless if your goals take time or if you face any challenge. Though you will be able to successfully manage the challenges, but if the challenges are too much and you are not easily or able to reach your goals, so you will be feeling restless. So don't be restless, have that self-confidence to fight all the challenges and reach your goals. If you are single, you will find a partner with whom you will have a passionate relationship, or already in a relationship will have a passionate and very loving relationship with your partner. So all the best, Cancer. Let us move ahead and check the guidance for Leo, सिंह राशि. चलिए देखते हैं गाइडेंस. ओके, लियो आपके लिए कार्ड आया है 10 of Autumn का, which means this week you will take small steps to ensure the financial security is there for your children and your loved ones for long-term future. So you will be thinking about your future, you will be making wise investments, or you will be planning for your retirement. So this week you will have a future planning. You will take small steps to have financial security for your children, for your loved ones, for your family, and also you will be making wise investments, or you will be planning for your retirement. Or at the same time, you will honor your family tradition, maybe a legacy, or कहते हैं ना वसीयत. So maybe the elderlies will make wasiyat and you will be honoring the family tradition. So all the best, Leo. Let us move ahead and check the guidance for Virgo. देखते हैं इस हफ्ते वर्गो के लिए क्या guidance है. Okay, for Virgo we have the card 9 of Autumn, which means you are enjoying your singlehood. Your hard work is now going to pay, which will give you rewards. So reward yourself for all the hard work, and you have achieved success in life. Superiors are appreciating you. You have got promotion, salary increment. So all your hard work is paying you. So that is why you need to reward yourself. You are happily and successfully self-employed. If you are having your own business and you are self-employed, definitely you will be happy and successful, financial independent, and you will be achieving your goals. Or if you are looking for a job, you will get a leadership role where you will be in top position. Also this week, you are not thinking about having a partner or marriage. You are cherishing your time alone. So this week you are having me time, where you will be enjoying spending time with yourself. You will be happy and you will reward yourself for hard work. So all the best, Virgo. चलिए next zodiac sign पे चलते हैं, that is Libra. Let's see the guidance for Libra. Okay, so for Libra we have the card 4 of Spring, which means this week you will be celebrating your anniversary, or if you are single, you will be getting married. It is the time to celebrate. You have lot of things to celebrate. You should be grateful for whatever you have achieved so far, and you have time to celebrate. If you are coming home after a long time, you will spend time with your family, or you will be buying a new house. There will be a housewarming party, or you are going for a housewarming party. So it's a time to celebrate. It's a time to spend time with your family. You will be enjoying spending time. You will be celebrating. So you are having deep feeling of peace and happiness this week. So you are feeling happy and peaceful because you have all the things which you want. So it's the time to enjoy and have a feeling of peace and happiness. So you have a contented, satisfied personal life this week, Libra. All the best. चलिए नेक्स्ट zodiac Scorpio देखते हैं guidance. Okay, so for Scorpio we have the card 7 of Winter, which means there is a better choice, but you are not seeing things clearly. You are running away from the truth. कई बार हम सिचुएशन से भागते हैं या कोई शॉर्टकट्स लेते हैं. So it is not the right time, to run away from the situation, run away from the truth. We have to face the truth. We should not run away from the truth. We are not seeing things clearly that, if this is not happened, there are better choices available. So you have to see the truth clearly. You have to see this is not right for you. Things are there which is better for you. You have to see things clearly. But this week you are not able to see things clearly. You are not understanding that there is a better choice available. You have to find that. Don't run away from the truth. All the best, Scorpio. Chaliye, next zodiac sign. Let me open. Okay. So we have the card 9 of Spring, which means this week you need to be hopeful. You are about to reach your goals. So don't lose hope. Protect the fruit of your labor. Protect your hard work. You are about to reach your goal of success. So don't lose hope. I know people will try to pull you down, but you have cheerleaders around you who are supporting you. So don't lose hope. Have that courage to fulfill your goals. Prepare for possible challenges that are lies ahead, but don't lose hope. Protect your hard work. Protect your labor. Create boundaries from the people who are trying to pull you down. So all the best, Sagittarians. Now let us move ahead and check the guidance for Capricorn. Let's see the card. Okay, Capricorn, for you the card is Ace of Winter, which means you are not carried away by the challenges coming your way to achieve your goal. So don't be disheartened or don't have fear from challenges that are coming your way. So you are ready to face all the challenges to achieve your goal. Whatever new projects you are starting, you should go ahead. It's a yes card. But at the same time, it is important to communicate clearly and accurately. So whatever plans you have, whatever ideas you have, that should be implemented, but you should communicate your ideas clearly and accurately with your team members so that it is implemented together. It's a very good card. Whatever projects you are doing, it will going to be successful. So all the best, Capricorns. Let us move ahead and check the guidance for Aquarius. Okay, so for Aquarius, we have the card Ace of Autumn, which means this week, whatever you dreamed for, there is windfall of it. Whether you are praying for money, financial independence, lot of money, or if you are seeking advice, you are praying to get advice or assistance from others if you need for fulfilling or completing your project. So there is a windfall of money, advice or assistance from others this week. So make use of it. Whatever is your necessity, make use. If you want to be financially independent, pray towards it. If you need some advice, career advice or marriage advice, definitely you will find a windfall of it. It's the week where you will have happy changes in your career. If you are looking for a job, you will get the right job which you are looking for, or if you are waiting for your promotion, salary hike, this is the right week where you will have promotion, salary increment, your project will be completed and appreciated by your superior. Or if you're already in a already in a career, your career will grow 100 times good. So all the best, Aquarius. Now the last zodiac sign, Pisces. Let's see the guidance. Okay, Pisces, for you the card is 3 of autumn, which means this is the week where you need to follow your passion when it comes to your career. So if you have some passion, you can use it as a career. So this is the right week where you should follow your passion when it comes to your career. So be the best at what you do. So you should be best at what you do and with focused mind. Being compensated for your creative talent. So whatever creative talent you have, whether it is cooking, whether it is painting, whether it is dancing, music, whatever talent you have, you can use that as a career, and definitely you will be compensated for your talent. So whatever talent you have, if you use it as a monetary basis or professionally, definitely you will be compensated for your creative talent. So all the best, Pisces, and thank you everyone for watching this weekly horoscope. I hope this week will bring lot of joy and happiness in your life, and when you follow these guidances, definitely you will achieve your goals. See you next week. Till then, bye bye. Take care. Bye bye.